When I had started working with Dr. Purcell, for about 6 months, I didn't have my regular doctor appointment because I usually went once a year or twice a year. And so I was kind of in between. And once I went, I was actually surprised because I had seen her the year before, the 6 months prior, and I had really high cholesterol. I had borderline diabetic blood sugar. I was 25 pounds heavier than I was. And there was just so many different things that she was like, just looking at me like, gosh, you're just about ready to fall apart. She asked me, well, what's your secret? What changed? What did you do? And I said, I totally changed my diet. I started to see a naturopathic doctor. I changed my diet. I changed my lifestyle choices. And it was like, that made all the difference. And I was so surprised because her response to me was, wow, I'm thrilled to hear that, because in traditional Western medical schools, we don't actually get enough information or enough training on how nutrition plays and how it affects your overall being and how it affects your health. And she goes, and that's just fantastic. So I was thrilled to hear that from her and just see how she was very supportive. If anyone is even questioning, thinking that, wow, is this for me? I mean, I can't say I was that person that was just out there like everyone else, and that really didn't know, well, where do I turn? I've been to my traditional medicine roots and doctors, and I didn't get what I needed there. So what do I do? What's next? And I just can't say enough that this is really where it's at. I have a feeling that, wow, I can take on the world, really. I can accomplish what I want to do, because you have the health and you have you're feeling good about who you are in your body, inside and out. So I think it's a really great journey that I'm on, and I'm happy to continue that further. So last year, for sure, 6 months ago, I was not in a good place, and I think that feeling good about yourself. I mean, 20 years ago, I felt good about myself, and it's been 20 years, and I felt like I lost that time. But now I feel like I'm going to gain it back, and it's going to be exponentially. I'm going to gain a better life. So I always look at people say, well, you're 55, and I'm like, you know what? But I believe the best is yet to come in my second half of my life versus maybe my first half. So that's kind of how I got to look at it,